Hello, everyone. So, let me tell you one good news. Someone has been watching you, not in a creepy way, in a I can't stop thinking about this person type of way. They notice things about you that you don't even notice about yourself. You heard me right. The way you laugh, the way you explain things, that thing you do when you are thinking, and they have not said a word. यस माय डियर कोई है शायद काफ़ी टाइम से जो आपको सीक्रेटली पसंद करते हैं और आज काच भी तो यही कह रहे हैं वो कौन है वो क्या फील करते हैं और वो अभी तक कुछ क्यों नहीं बोल रहे दिस रीडिंग इज़ फॉर यू द टाइमिंग ऑफ यू फाइंडिंग दिस इज़ नॉट अ कोइंसिडेंस आई एम डोना and let's see what cards are actually showing us. Without wasting time, let's go into it. You know the cards that we have is the Knight of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, the High Priestess energy, the Hermit. So who is this person? The cards are giving me some very specific energy about this person and I want you to stay open, my dear, because something is there in this person's mind and sometimes this is someone you already know and have not considered in this way. And sometimes it's someone newer in your life. And we have this hermit card. So this person is a great observer. Yes, a very quiet, a shy kind of person who don't talk much and they don't broadcast their feelings. They are the type who thinks very deeply before speaking. ये वो इंसान नहीं है जो कैजुअली फ्लर्ट करते फिरते हैं, राइट? जब ये कुछ फील करते हैं वो रियल होता है एंड इट्स वेरी डीप. दे वी कम अक्रॉस एस रिजर्व टू यू. You may find them as reserved, maybe even little hard to read, but underneath, there's a lot going on, my dear. And we have this romantic card, the Knight of Cups, the idealistic quality to how they see you. Okay, in their mind, you are genuinely someone special, not just attractive, not just interesting, but someone they have built a whole story around in their head. They have imagined conversations with you, scenarios. वो अकेले में आपके बारे में बहुत कुछ सोच चुके हैं. ऐसा मुझे कांच की एनर्जी से लगता है. And this person is very hardworking, focused, dedicated. And maybe इनका एक अलग से पैसिव इनकम वाला सोर्स भी होगा कुछ लोगों के लिए. एंड ये काफ़ी करियर ओरिएंटेड है, स्टडी ओरिएंटेड है. There may be a creative or skilled quality to what they do. Okay? And he or she is on a very different path. ये rat race का हिस्सा नहीं है. Okay? They are someone who takes their commitments very seriously, which is actually why they have not just casually said something. If they are going to say anything, they want it to mean something. So that kind of depth this person has, जो कि काफ़ी rarely मिलता है. Then we have this beautiful, interesting card, the High Priestess. This person has intuition about you. They sense things, they pick up on your moods, your energy when you're off. आपके पास आते हैं तो वो एक्चुअली नोटिस करते हैं कि आप ठीक तो हो, वो सेंस कर लेते हैं. ये उनमें इंटरनल क्वालिटी है. They may have already hinted at their feelings in ways that were easy to miss, like small gestures, lingering moments, the way they remember things you said weeks ago. Okay. Now the question comes that what are they actually feeling about you? So here, as per the cards energy, what I'm seeing, like since we have the Four of Wands, Two of Cups, the Star, and Ace of Hearts. So what I'm seeing here is not casual. This is not a passing interest. Okay. This person holds you as something hopeful. When things feel hard for them, and everyone has those moments, you appear in their mind as something that makes the world feel a little better. Not because you have done anything, just because you exist in their world. आप उनके लिए एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी है कॉन्शियसली या अनकॉन्शियसली. ओके दे जस्ट स्माइल व्हेन दे थिंक अबाउट यू. दिस काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी आई एम गेटिंग. एंड यस वी हैव द टू ऑफ कप्स और हम सभी को पता है ये मिरर कार्ड है. So what they feel for you? They believe it could be mutual. They are not completely delusional about it. Somewhere in your behavior, something you have said, the way you look at them, आपका thought process, how you treat them, or anything you said on a given moment, or your authenticity has given them a reason to hope. And you have given them a signal even if you did not meant to. आपने कभी कुछ ऐसा किया या बोला है जिसने जिससे ना उनको लगा है कि शायद आप भी कुछ फ़ील करते हो, या उन्हें ऐसा लगा है कि आप डिफरेंट पर्सन हो। ओके। जो भीड़ में भी अलग दिखाई देते हैं उस टाइप की एनर्जी, मुझे लगता है वो ऐसा कुछ सोचते हैं आपके बारे में। एंड यहाँ पर ना सेलिब्रेशन एनर्जी दिख रही है मुझे, यूनियन एनर्जी दिख रही है। एंड अनएक्सपेक्टेड एनकाउंटर आपका हो सकता है इनसे, या कुछ लोगों के लिए ऑलरेडी हो चुका है। ओके। आई मीन यू नो दिस पर्सन, but all of a sudden there's a professional setting or social circle, and he too is invited or she too is invited, and yes, this type of energy. And they don't just want a conversation with you, they want a deep conversation with you. और उन्हें लगता है कि जो उनके टॉपिक्स हैं ना ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन विच दे वांट टू टॉक, वो शायद सिमिलर हैं, and they can see something real in you, something longer term they are looking for, and in their heart, they have already thought about what it would be like properly with you. Okay. And you know what? At the core of all of this, there is a genuine, fresh love energy, not obsession in an unhealthy sense. So this person is not having any kind of addictions, okay? Alcohol addictions or any other kind of addictions. Yeah. This is someone who has opened their heart to the possibility of you. As I told you earlier, this person is really not very creepy. Not really, but he is not at all a creepy person, okay? He's very genuine, very gentle. He understands what is kindness, what is compassionate. And for some of you, this person is somebody who has gone through something in their past, okay? And that made him or her a very better version of themselves. And ये वो feeling है जो सिर्फ थोड़ी देर में नहीं आई, ये grow हुई है, and that's actually rare. You should know that about them, okay? But you might be thinking that why have not they said anything if they feel for me, right? Um, for some of you, you can feel something, and the silence is confusing. Confusing, I know. And why won't they just say it to me, right? So they are trapped, my dear, in their own head. Something is going in their life. The thoughts going around in there are something like, क्या मैं काफ़ी हूँ? Am I enough? क्या वो मुझे seriously लेगा या लेगी? Okay, will he or she will take me seriously? क्या मैं सब कुछ बर्बाद कर दूंगा, कर दूंगी अगर मैंने बोल दिया? Fear of rejection is real for this particular person, not because they are weak, but because they actually care and they have been rejected in the past. And the more you care, the more terrifying it is to say something. If they did not care, they would have already casually mentioned it. The silence is proof of how much it matters to them. Okay? And you know, we also have this Five of Wands card. So there may also be some external noise around this. Maybe you are in the same social circle and they don't want to make things awkward. Maybe someone else they know has feelings for you too. And they don't want to create conflict here. Or maybe there's some logistical block, like a distance is there, or timing is there, a situation that feels complicated. Or maybe they are on a completely different path for some of you, like a spiritual path, and you are not on that particular path. So yeah, it can be one of the reason. And it's not that the feelings are not there, it's that the circumstances feels messy. And for some of you, this person is so career oriented that it's very hard for them to find the time. And he's also thinking, once I commit or once I share my feelings with that other person, how I'm going to manage my personal life and the work life. Okay. So that is the one thing. And I'm also seeing an uncertainty here. They are not 100% sure how you feel. This is also one of the blockages which I'm seeing here. आप उन्हें confusing लगते हो और वो confusing feeling ही उन्हें रोका हुआ है. And for some of you, they feel you are too reserved and you're not open for love. And for some of you, there is a possibility they don't even know. What is your status? Are you single, married, legally separated? They don't know anything, but yes, they think about you. Specifically, there are some topics on which, uh, whenever they talk among their social circle of friends, you just pop up in their head, okay? And they read into things, then talk themselves out of what they saw. One day they are convinced, you feel the same. The next day they convince themselves it was all in their head. So this back and forth is exhausting for them as well. And one thing, because we have the Six of Pentacles in reverse, so yes, opening up feels like giving power away to this person, okay? They want a guarantee before they are willing to risk, which of course does not exist. वो चाहते हैं, चाह रहे हैं कि पहले ही कंफर्म हो जाए और वो तब बोलेंगे, जो हो नहीं पा रहा है अभी, okay, इस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में. Now, let's see what they actually want, okay? So for that, we have the Lovers, Three of Cups, Ten of Pentacles. So beyond the feelings, they want a real connection with you, not something very casual, not just physical. Now this is another important sign. They want to be chosen properly, consciously by you, okay? And they want the thing should move थ्रू अ म्यूचुअल डिसीजन. वो चाहते हैं कि आप उन्हें चूज़ करो और वो आपको चूज़ करें, एक इक्वल रियल ऑनेस्ट कनेक्शन में. And he wants or she wants a relationship where there is a equal give and take, and he or she believes in equality, and they want to be a part of your world, your people, your celebrations, your ordinary Tuesday evenings. They don't want a version of you, they want access to the real you. As I told earlier, this person loved your authenticity because you're not showing off the things, okay? And that's why you are in their mind. So, therefore, they want access to the real you. The you that your close friends say, the comfortable, the unguarded version. And this person, is going to accept you with your perfections, imperfections, everything. With your past, no matter what, okay? And if you ask me about the long term, oh my God, let me tell you, we have the beautiful Ten of Pentacles, and this person is not thinking short term, my dear. If they let themselves imagine it, they imagine something lasting. For sure, a life that includes you, not just a chapter. This is the most important thing the cards are saying about what they want. They're not here for something small, not at all. वो जब इमेजिन करते हैं ना, वो फ्यूचर इमेजिन करते हैं आपके साथ. ओके. So, yes, this is the very good sign about this person. Now, let's see, will they make a move? So, yes, I'm seeing a cycle, a change in circumstances is coming. Something external is going to shift. A conversation that naturally opens the door, a situation that forces honesty, a moment where staying silent just becomes impossible. ओके. कुछ ऐसा होगा जो उन्हें एक पुश देगा, कोई बहाना या रीज़न, और वो ओपनिंग उस चीज़ से होगी. एंड दिस इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू स्टे बर्डेड फॉर एवर, ओके. ये कुछ एक छोटे से प्रोजेक्ट से रिलेटेड भी हो सकता है. You both of you are working on a project, or you will eventually start working on a particular project, or for some of you, maybe there is a teacher and student relationship, and for others it is like he or she is your team leader and you're working under him or her, okay. So it can be your skip level manager, okay. And yeah, there are a number of possibilities, and this is a general collective reading and timeless too, so take only what resonates and leave the rest. Every one of us are on a different journey. So yes, there's an energy of a first move being contemplated right now. They are building courage, my dear, and they may have already rehearsed what they want to say more than once. Because this person is shy, they are afraid, they have a fear of rejection. They feel that ये right move तो होगा ना, right that. Okay, and for some of you, this person is younger than you. For others, he or she is older than you. Yes. Now, it's not only about age, it can be about the experiences of life. It also about the lessons in life, the wisdom they have gained. Okay. and he or she is very eager, very curious person. I'm seeing this, okay, and slightly impulsive and very growth oriented, money mindset. But at the same time, he don't live for money. He or she understand that money is very important in life, but money is not everything. That kind of clarity this person has, and I believe something in the next few weeks to 2 months has potential. From whenever you are watching this video, and here's the honest part, my dear. I'm also seeing a completion of a cycle. Before they make a move, something in their current situation needs to complete. It can be project, a phase, a decision they have been putting off. Once that clears, एक बार वो चीज़ें कंप्लीट हो जाए ना जो उनके लाइफ में स्टक हैं अभी, उनका अटेंशन और एनर्जी आपकी तरफ ज़्यादा आ सकती है. वॉच फॉर अ शिफ्ट in how available this suddenly seen. Yes. Okay. And for some of you, they are watching your social media or they are watching you on some or the other platforms very closely. They're just observing you. Okay. Again, this person is not creepy. So don't think that being creepy, they are watching you. No. Okay. Now, let me see if this person could speak to you directly. Okay. Now, this is very interesting. Through these cards right now, what they would say. So let me pause, okay, for a moment to understand the card's energy as we have the High Priestess and Two of Wands. Okay, so if this person could speak to you directly through these cards right now, this is what they would say. I don't know how to say this in a way that doesn't feel too much, so I have not said anything yet. But that doesn't mean nothing is there. मैं जानती हूँ कि आप कंफ्यूज होंगे. वो साइलेंस जो आप फील करते हो, वो एम्प्टीनेस नहीं है. वो थोड़ा-सा डर है. डर कि अगर डर कि अगर मैं आपको बोल दूँ और आप वो फील ना करो, तो मैं वो भी खो दूँगा या खो दूँगी जो अभी है. इट कैन बी फ्रेंडशिप फॉर सम ऑफ यू. You matter to me in a way that's hard to explain. I notice everything about you, and I know there's it, a lot of things which I want to know about you. But I need you to know whatever happens next, this is real. What I feel is real. And I always remember you. Wow, amazing. So that's what the card showed us, someone real with real feelings who just has not found the courage yet. Whether you already know who this is or it's a complete mystery, the energy here is strong, my dear. कमेंट में बताइए, क्या कोई आपके ज़हन में आए इस रीडिंग से? नो नेम्स नीडेड, जस्ट टेल मी, डू यू नो हू इज़ दिस? आई जेन्युइनली वांट टू नो. येस, नो, आई रियली डोंट वांट टू नो योर पर्सनल लाइफ, दैट्स नॉट माय एजेंडा. और अगर आप इस एनर्जी को डीपन करना चाहते हैं, देन येस, यू कैन बाय द क्रिस्टल्स. You can contact me on Instagram, Tarot with Donna, and I can help you with those. So take care of yourself and pay attention to who is paying attention to you, my dear. See you in the next reading. Till then, take care. Bye.